Normal English, Advanced English, meet, catch up. Hungry, starving. Very happy, over the moon. Very busy, swamped. Angry, pissed off. Very tired, exhausted. Fell asleep, nodded off. Very cold, freezing. Hurry up, chop chop. Good luck, break a leg. Wasting time, faffing around. Lucky, jammy. Secret, under wraps. Very rarely, once in a blue moon. Get married, tie a knot. How are you? How's it going? Not difficult, not a rocket science. Very tired, worn out. Come, drop in. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video. Tense, present, past and future. I am, I was. I will be. I do, I did. I will do. I have, I had. I will have. I go, I went. I will go. I walk, I walked. I will walk. I run, I ran. I will run. I sing, I sang. I will sing. I put, I put. I will put. I eat, I ate. I will eat. I play, I played. Now you comment down the answer of future form of I play. I will wait for your comments. Comment down the answer of this one. English grammar rules. I am, he, she, it is, we, you, they are, I, we, you, they have, I, he, she, it was, we, you, they were, I, you, we, they, he, she, it did. Follow for more.